Hello, my name is Joey Nunley. I am the Baldwin County Engineer for Baldwin County, Alabama. My primary responsibilities is maintaining all the roads and bridges in this county, along with supervising the Rural Transportation System, better known as BRATS, the Eastern Shore Metropolitan Planning Organization, and the Park System. In the early years, the Alabama Department of Transportation used to be responsible for maintaining all the roads in the county. This was known as a captive county. On October the 1st, 1980, through legislative action, the Baldwin County Commission took responsibilities for all the roads in the county. In general, the Baldwin County Commission is responsible for maintaining all the roads in the rural parts of the county. The state, or the Alabama Department of Transportation, is responsible for maintaining all of the state routes and interstate routes in the county, and the municipalities are responsible for maintaining all the roads inside their city limits. Currently, the Baldwin County Commission is responsible for maintaining 1,348 miles of paved roads, 178 miles of unpaved roads, and 163 bridges. There are actually 3 different types of roads. There's a private road, a public road, and a county maintained road. Private roads are owned and maintained by private citizens. Public roads are roads that are either dedicated to the public or used by the public for so long they become public by prescription. And then there's the county maintained roads, which are public roads that have been accepted for maintenance by the Baldwin County Commission. Baldwin County is the largest county in the state of Alabama. In 1970, there were just over 50,000 residents. In 2018, there's over 200,000 residents. With this growth comes challenges and demands. One of the challenges we face is traffic. The Baldwin County Commission has decided to invest in these traffic concerns by creating a road that runs from the Foley Beach Express to I-10. This road is about 12.9 miles long and costs $93 million. The next phase of this project is what we call Baldwin Beach Express 2. This is a section of road that has not been built. The county is currently looking for funding. It's just 24.5 mile long road section, 4 lanes at a cost of $200 million. We use a multitude of federal, state, and county funds and leverage our county funds to complete the projects. Each project is divided into phases. The initial phase is the idea or the concept which may arise out of a need. Any of these needs can be safety need, a capacity need, an economic need, or an environmental concerns. Once the idea or concept comes, the next phase would be the design phase. That design phase may or may not acquire property acquisition. The next phase would be construction, which includes inspection, and then of course perpetual maintenance. Here at the Highway Department, we have broken our department into those particular sections that deal with each phase of the project. Our pre-construction section is made up of our design and right-of-way sections. Our construction section is responsible for our inspection, our subdivision and permits, and our traffic operations. And then we have our operations and maintenance section, which is obviously in charge of the maintaining the roads. We also have our geospatial operations sections and our accounting sections, which help us tie everything together from an inventory and accounting standpoint. Our pre-construction section is responsible for project orientation and planning, our project design, our environmental permitting, our contract preparation for letting to bid, and our consultant management. That section also has our right-of-way in it. They are responsible for title work, mapping, deed preparation, appraisals, negotiations and acquisitions, relocations, condemnations, and property management. Some of our recent projects include the Baldwin Beach Express from I-10 to the Foley Beach Express, County Road 13 and 64 roundabout, County Road 13 and 48 roundabout, all of our resurfacing plans, and all of our bridge projects.
Hello, my name is Tyler Mitchell. I'm the construction manager for the Baldwin County Highway Department. I lead our construction section, which includes construction inspection, bridge inspection, and traffic operations. Construction inspection staff is responsible for contract administration and construction project inspection. This involves all field observation and testing, lab testing, proper documentation, quantity estimates, pay application review and payment, and any reimbursement processing depending on funding type. Common projects include asphalt resurfacing of roadways, bridge replacements, intersection improvements, and special projects such as sidewalk construction. Inspection staff is responsible for ensuring that the project is constructed as designed and within budget. Construction inspection staff also inspects all 163 county maintained bridges on a 2-year or shorter cycle and in accordance with national standards. This requires an arm's length detailed inspection of the deck or driving surface, as well as all underside components. The Highway Department uses these data to monitor bridge health and program bridge replacement projects. Traffic Operations is a construction and maintenance group responsible for in-house asphalt paving, roadway striping, roadway sign management, and traffic signal management. The paving crew completes many diverse projects, including dirt road paving, large area strip patching, and resurfacing. This crew also conducts mowing operations along the Baldwin Beach Express. The striping crew stripes newly paved surfaces and performs maintenance striping on existing roadways. We perform nighttime inspections every 2 years to grade striping and reflectors in conjunction with our maintenance striping program. The sign crew maintains approximately 20,000 signs countywide. We install new signs and replace damaged signs daily. Efforts are currently underway to inventory all county maintained signs utilizing a GIS-based tablet collection system. Traffic signal staff maintains traffic signals and flashing beacons, responding to callouts to troubleshoot malfunctions and restore operation. They also install new beacons and assist with other traffic operations projects. Again, I'm Tyler with the Highway Department Construction Section. I hope this gives you a good idea of what we do within the construction world within the department.
My name is Seth Peterson, and I'm the Construction Development Manager for the Baldwin County Highway Department. I'm here to tell you about the permitting and subdivision section of the Highway Department. This section is responsible for permitting work in the right-of-way, which includes commercial turnout permits, utility permits, and license agreements. Utility permits are required for any new utilities that are proposed to be installed in the county right-of-way. These utilities must be installed per the requirements of the Baldwin County Utility Manual. The permitting staff is also responsible for coordinating with utility companies to relocate existing utilities that interfere with proposed projects within the county maintained right-of-way. Commercial turnout permits are required for commercial developments, industrial sites, subdivision developments, and other multifamily residential developments. Depending on the requirements of the development, this permit can also cover the installation of drainage improvements and turn lanes. License agreements are entered into between the county and citizens or corporations that wish to perform work in the public right-of-way. The permitting and subdivision section is also responsible for overseeing the county subdivision regulations. The county adopted their first set of subdivision regulations in February of 1984, and the regulations have been revised numerous times since the first adoption. Subdivisions that require construction of improvements are also inspected by the permitting and subdivision section of the Highway Department. Staff makes inspections to ensure compliance with the county's subdivision regulations, as well as ALDOT plans and specifications. Most subdivision roads that are built are accepted for maintenance by the Baldwin County Commission. That is a brief overview of the permitting and subdivision section of the Highway Department. Once again, my name is Seth, and thank you for taking your time to watch this video.
Hello, my name is Frank Lundy. I'm the Operations Section Manager for the Baldwin County Highway Department. The Operations Section is comprised of maintenance engineering and also the 3 area maintenance highway facilities. The Maintenance Engineering Section is comprised of a number of programs. One of those programs is the herbicide program, which controls roadside vegetation. Another key program within the Maintenance Engineering section is the ADM permit program. This program involves stormwater permits from the Alabama Department of Environmental Management and land disturbance permits for construction projects. Maintenance engineering staff also perform a number of activities. These activities include annual road condition inspections, traffic safety analyses, traffic speed studies, technical assistance to other sections and departments, and we make recommendations for department policy and future roadway project needs. The 3 area highway maintenance facilities are located in Bay Minette, Silver Hill, and Foley. The area highway maintenance facilities also perform a number of annual activities. These activities include mowing, pothole repair, brush cutting, drainage concerns, and grading dirt roads. The highway maintenance facilities are structured to receive direct communication with citizens through the work order system. Each year, thousands of work orders are processed throughout the county. Collectively, the area highway maintenance facilities pave approximately 15 miles of dirt roads per year and maintain over 1,500 miles of roadways throughout Baldwin County. The staff in each of these sections do a tremendous job administering the vision of the County Commission and department leaders. The success of the department is attributed to their professionalism, dedication, and drive to provide great service and quality work. I'm Frank Lundy. I hope you've enjoyed this brief overview of the operations section here at the Baldwin County Highway Department.
My name is Jacob Pierce. I'm the Geospatial Operations Manager at the Baldwin County Highway Department. This section was established in 2018 in order to leverage cutting-edge GIS, surveying, and mapping technology to support all other Baldwin County Highway Department staff. This leads to more informed, better decisions at all levels of operation on a daily basis. We utilize geographic information systems to place vital information in the hands of employees. Some of the other cool tools we use are global positioning systems, a total station and 3D scanner, an unmanned aerial vehicle, also known as a drone, and survey data processing software in order to produce digital work products. Primarily, we build, manage, map, and update GIS data sets for many different kinds of assets, including roads, signs, signals, bridges, parks, culvert pipes, right-of-way, easements, along with other data sets. This means staff need to perform a physical data capture of numerous types of field assets. Once completed, continual maintenance of the data sets is a never-ending responsibility. We also manage survey staff, projects, and data of all kinds, including determining and staking right-of-way, boundary surveys, stockpile quantity assessments using the 3D laser scanner, along with both 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional mapping. We evaluate and implement new geospatial technology solutions with a focus on mobile and browser-based applications along with existing desktop solutions. Geospatial Operations is proud to offer vision, guidance, and training to all levels of staff across the surveying, engineering design, construction, right-of-way, and operations sections. Again, I'm Jacob Pierce with Geospatial Operations. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope this gives you a brief insight into geospatial operations at the Baldwin County Highway Department.
Hi, my name is Sarah Hart-Sislak, and I'm the coordinator of the Eastern Shore Metropolitan Planning Organization, also referred to as the Eastern Shore MPO. The Eastern Shore MPO was formed in 2012 to assist with transportation planning in the newly defined urbanized area in Baldwin County, which includes the cities of Spanish Fort, Fairhope, Daphne, and the town of Loxley. The primary purpose of the MPO is to encourage and facilitate teamwork among local governments on the Eastern Shore in matters relating to transportation planning. The MPO's work includes planning for highways, public transit, bicycles and pedestrians, freight, and other modes of transportation. The MPO acts as a liaison between the Federal Highway Administration, the Federal Transit Administration, the Alabama Department of Transportation, and local municipalities within the MPO planning area. The governing body of the MPO is the Policy Board, whose membership includes elected county and municipal officials. MPO staff members are responsible for organizing and facilitating all MPO meetings. Staff continuously work on transportation planning documents, including the Long Range Transportation Plan, the Transportation Improvement Program, the Public Transit Plan, the Bicycle and Pedestrian Plan, and the Public Participation Plan. MPO staff are also tasked with maintaining the MPO financial records and ensuring compliance with all requirements of the Federal Highway Administration, the Federal Transit Administration, and the Alabama Department of Transportation. Again, my name is Sarah, and I hope you've enjoyed learning about the Eastern Shore MPO.
Again, my name is Joey Nunley, the Baldwin County Engineer. Just wanted to take time to thank you for watching this video. I hope it was informative. We are located at the intersection of Highway 104 and Highway 59 in Robertsdale in the Regions Bank building. We are on the 3rd and 4th floor. If we can be of any assistance to you, feel free to call.